Let us discuss vertical and horizontal resistance. So, a vertical resistance uh, in which the plant shows very high resistance to a particular physiological race of the pathogen. But if the race gets changed or another race infects the plant, then this resistance is of very little use. The plants showing vertical resistance mainly show involvement of R genes, and due to which they show hypersensitive response in the early stage of the infection, and because of the hypersensitive response the pathogen is not able to establish, or even if it has established, it is not able to multiply. The vertical resistance is also known as race specific resistance or perpendicular resistance or specific resistance. This resistance is complete because a particular plant exerts a high level of the resistance against only particular race of a pathogen. But it is not permanent, as I mentioned, that if the race of the pathogen changes, then this resistance is of little use. Any change in the pathogen race makes the host susceptible. This vertical resistance is brought about by maybe single gene or few genes or many genes, and therefore it could be monogenic, oligogenic and polygenic respectively. Whereas in case of the horizontal resistance, it is a generalized resistance or it is a non-race specific resistance or it is uniform resistance, and in this type of resistance the resistance is spread against all the races of the pathogen. So plant exerts the resistance irrespective of the physiological race of a pathogen. And as compared to the vertical resistance, the horizontal resistance is controlled by large number of genes. So it is essentially a polygenic, whereas in vertical it could be monogenic, oligogenic or polygenic. Now vertical resistance shows equal resistance to all the pathogenic race. Since the generalized resistance is exerted, this resistance may not be able to totally protect the plant from the infection. However, due to this resistance, the susceptibility of the host is reduced or it slows down the establishment of the pathogen. The horizontal resistance is also known as field resistance, and the breeders they try to bring about or they try to bring in this resistance into crop plant. This resistance is incomplete. It does not show resistance to a particular pathogen, but it is a generalized resistance. Therefore, it is incomplete, but it is permanent. Thank you.